If your TickTick tasks aren't syncing across your devices, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by internet connection problems, account issues, or sync settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix TickTick not syncing step by step in 2026. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent TickTick from syncing your latest changes. Next, check that you're signed in to the same TickTick account on all of your devices. Using different accounts will keep your tasks from syncing correctly. Now, refresh the app by pulling down on your task list or using the manual sync option if it's available. This forces TickTick to check for new updates. If your tasks still aren't syncing, close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to restore the sync process. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of TickTick. Open your device's App Store and install any available updates. If the problem continues, log out of your TickTick account and then sign back in. This refreshes your account connection and often resolves temporary sync errors. You should also check your device's date and time settings. Make sure they're set to update automatically, since incorrect time settings can sometimes interfere with syncing. If you're using battery saver or background restrictions, allow TickTick to run in the background so it can sync automatically. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact TickTick support through the help section and provide details about the issue along with your device information. And that's how to fix TickTick not syncing. Yeah, in most cases, checking your internet connection, updating the app, and signing back into your account will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.